Hi fam, welcome back to our channel, Design on a Dollar. I'm your host Ida, and today we're going to do a craft that my friend at home with Zane featured on his channel. He shows some I guess you could call them glittery upscale eggs that he had gotten from, I think he said, oh, I had it on the tip of my tongue and it's gone now, but I'll insert it right down here, and I'll also insert his video in the eye in the sky. And I wanted to recreate this using items that you can find at Michael's, at Hobby Lobby, and I'm thinking that Dollar Tree has some as well. So what you're going to need for this project is, of course, some eggs. I got these from Hobby Lobby, and they were regular $2.99, but I got this 50% off. And you will need some holographic glitter and some hologram paint. So these two things I got from Walmart. So in the video, this is what you're going to see, this one. So we're doing a dupe of that one with this, but I also wanted to use some of these eggs in a DIY that I'm going to use on my spring tablescape. I'm going to also use some pink glitter with pink paint, and I'm going to use some jumbo glitter and some extra fine glitter with some pearl white metallic paint. And you also going to need some Mod Podge and a brush and something to put your eggs on to catch the glitter. So I'm going to do 3 the way that Zane had it for the dupe. I'm going to do 3 of them. And so I'm going to start by painting my, and actually you may not even need the Mod Podge if you, when you use the paint, you put your glitter on while the paint is still wet. And while my paint is wet, I'm going to sprinkle some of the holographic but you want to make sure that you're covering the egg completely so that there's no white spots showing. So I'm going to finish these 3, well, the other 2 off camera, and by the time I finish those, this one should be dry so we can go back in with the Mod Podge. Okay, so fam, this is our first egg, and it is completely dry, and these are the other 2, and they're drying. And I found that when I was trying to put the glitter on it, I was holding fingerprints and different things in it and had to go back and put some more glitter. So what I did was, my husband has this little kit thing right here that has all different size of screwdrivers and stuff in it. So I just took 3 of them. I put these in it to hold it, and then I took a Dollar Tree toothbrush holder, and it has 3 holes in it. So I put them in there. First I used the handle to put the glitter on, because you can rotate it, and then I put them in here like this to dry. So now we're going to move on to the second part of this. So now that it is completely dry, we can go in now with our Mod Podge and put our Mod Podge all on it, and then put another coat of glitter. And I'm just going to pack it up here because I don't want to rub off what I've already gotten up here. And once we put the Mod Podge on it and the second coat of glitter, we're going to finish it off after it dries and just put another coat of Mod Podge on it to seal it completely in place. And the Mod Podge is a little bit thicker as well, so it catches more glitter and hold more glitter to it. And you see how easy it is for me to work with now that I have this piece in it. Okay guys, so I'm going to do this technique all the way around this one, and then once I finish this one, I'm going to do the rest of them off camera. Okay fam, so now that it has the second coat of paint on it, it looks full. It looks, you can't see any white. What white you do see right now is Mod Podge. So what I'm sorry. So any white you see right now is Mod Podge. So what I'm going to do is I am going to put it back in the holder over here, let it dry, and then I'll come back and do the last coat of Mod Podge. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the other two like this, and I'm going to actually do a pink and one of the white ones, and then I'll come back and I'll show you guys the finished product of all of them. Okay fam, so here we have the completed replica of the 3 eggs that At Home with Zane featured on his channel. And as I said, I keep saying the name wrong of the store that he got them from, purchased them from, so I will leave that name up here somewhere. And then these are my version of it for spring and Easter. My pink one, which I think is glitzy and glam, as well as the white one, and it has specks of pink in it as well, it seems like. And what I did was, instead of using Mod Podge, the actual paint on Mod Podge, I used this Mod Podge, the Mod Podge spray, in the gloss form, and I sealed them with it. And you will see them on my spring / Easter tablescape. I'm going to try to get it out soon, because Easter is April 1st and I want to try to get it up before then. So don't forget to rate this video, comment down below, subscribe to our channel if you're already not a part of our YouTube family, share this video, and till next time, I love you guys. Bye bye.